What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoeman. Man, it feels really weird to say that.
Yeah, it
I haven't
does.
said that in so long. We haven't recorded a video here in weeks. I haven't posted a video in like a week either. We've been home now for what, like 10 days?
Yeah.
Like 10 days, 8 days?
No, I
9
think
days.
it's been a week.
It's been over a week. Oh, we've
No,
been home
because-
for a week and a day. But Trent's
Yeah.
now like 10 days old. I think he's now
Oh.
10 days old. So I thought I'd be able to make videos, or I thought I would be making videos and posting videos. I posted one while we were in the hospital as a video I already had recorded. I just recorded the intro for it. If you haven't seen that, go back and watch that video. But we're back at home now, and you know, Trent's, I mean, he's a good baby, and he sleeps pretty good, just not for long periods of time. But like, I just want to be around him, so I haven't been recording any videos. But Haley's here tonight, and
Whoop, whoop.
Hesper said, "Hey, you need to go record these videos." So I've got 3 shoes here, 1, 2, and 3, plus a couple more new ones that I need to unbox. Those can wait though. These I need to go ahead and get done because Miguel gave me these. Thank you, Miguel, for throwing me a couple of shoes to do reviews on. I appreciate you. So let's get into this review, but first, a word from our sponsor. Haley, who's the sponsor of this channel?
Jesus.
Jesus. This is Galatians 5:4, and that says for if you're trying to make yourselves right with God by keeping the law, you've been cut off from Christ. You've fallen away from the grace of God. And that's not to say that God or Jesus is going to leave you or forsake you, cut off. But we're cut off from His grace. We're cut off from His favor if we try to do things ourselves. And that's what it means by if we're trying to keep the law. If we're trying to do so well in our own right, by keeping the law, by following the 10 Commandments, by being a good person, if we just try to rely on that to get us to heaven, then we've got it wrong. And that's not what God's plan was for us. And we're basically saying, Jesus, I don't really care what you did for me. It's not that big of a deal because I can handle this myself by being a good person. But instead, we just rely on Jesus' sacrifice for us. So thank you so much, Jesus, for doing that for us. All right. This shoe, I think, is one of the shoes, I think one of the 3 shoes that fell off the trucks in Memphis. And of course, we know they didn't fall off. There was almost $1 million worth of Jordans stolen from some kind of trucks. I don't know which company it was. Yeah,
I didn't know that.
they were stolen, like ransacked from, like, a bunch of trailers were sitting in a parking lot. And I mean, there was probably an informed hit. They said, hey, this is where they're at. They went in there and got them. And this is one of those shoes. This one is an aftermarket, obviously, because this hasn't released yet. If y'all clicked on the thumbnail, then you know what this is. And it's not going for a terrible amount right now, and I think I know why. Because I don't think it's anything terribly special, but this is the military black Jordan 4.
Is this a Jordan 4?
This is a Jordan 4.
Oh,
this is the Air Jordan
buddy.
4 Retro White Midnight Navy. This shoe comes out on Saturday, Haley, and I have our raffles in for your size 2.
Whoop
So
whoop.
we'll see what happens. You need to go for these on Saturday, at least the men's size.
I will.
And there's also some stuff coming out this week you need to go for, so don't forget. All right, I want to see these. I haven't seen these yet. We get a spackled box. I don't remember what the box of the Midnight Navy spattered print, whatever that is. Oh, here. This is the...
Guys, comment down below.
This might be military blue. I don't remember what people are calling this one. Maybe it is military blue. This is military black, and this is the box it came in. And this is military blue. Can you see the difference in the colors?
I can, yes.
I can't really see the difference in the colors.
It's like a galaxy. It looks more like different on the camera than it does.
Yeah, I can't see it.
I mean, I can see it
Lights
still.
are shining in my eyes.
Oh yeah, you're right.
All right, I'm excited to see these. Miguel told me which ones he wore. I can't remember which ones would be safe for me to smell.
I don't think he wore those.
I don't know, there's a little bit of a crease. I'm going for it, Miguel. I just hope you washed your feet. Just glue.
Yummy.
Those don't smell hardly at all anymore. But let's go. Here you go. What do you think?
I still like the black and white ones more.
Black and white? Oh, now I remember what shoe that is. I can't wait to open that one. All right.
What I think I don't like, even though nobody would probably see it on my foot, I don't like the bottom of that being red. That's so ugly to me.
I kind of like that. It gives you
Is
a little
this
bit extra
red?
color. There's a little bit.
No, see, I think that's way better. Because
I
then
do
the
like
red
this
just,
better.
it's like you're just trying to be like the Braves or something. And just, ugh.
You get the red here too.
Nothing against the Braves. It's just an overused
Get the
color
red here, too.
pattern.
But I mean, it's basically the same shoe, except this is much more tumbled.
There's no suede.
It doesn't have the suede. You get the spatter print here. Okay, this has no spatter print. Why did we get a completely spattered box with no spatter print? I don't know. I'm not hating it though. I like the spatter print on this. Yeah. But I'm not a fan of this tumble. Get a close up of that tumble. I'm just not a fan of that tumble.
How
that
it's
kind of a
not
tumble.
consistent?
No, it's consistent. It's fine.
It's not consistent.
It's consistent enough. It's not like there's what I disliked about that 3, the Dark Iris 3, is that there were some spots that were like really smooth. Like up here, it's pretty smooth. There's just one little spot right there.
Yeah.
But like on the 3, yeah, it's pretty smooth here too. There was like a chunk right here that was really smooth. I didn't like that. I don't like this because this feels too synthetic. And I mean, I know that's how they make most of these. The tumble is a synthetic tumble. It's like the finish that they make, that they put that texture in. But like
I'm sorry.
my Desert Elephant 3s are downstairs, but when you touch those, like the way that the tumble creases or the moves is different. And I like that kind of tumble better. This is overly tumbled for me. Still a nice shoe, and we're gonna go for them. But this is, it's definitely not as good as this. Like nowhere near as good. But these come out on Saturday. That's like the 30th or something like that. Do you know?
I don't know.
No, it's like the 30th. And they're going to be available on sneakers. We don't know how much stock sneakers is going to have though, because these fell off the truck. So they may not have a whole lot of stock. And if they don't, the aftermarket value is going to go up. And I think it's somewhere like $350. So I'm not hating these. I'm not loving them. I'd wear them, but I'm not going to. If I get these, I'm definitely not keeping them.
Good job. Sunday is the 30th.
30th. Oh, he says the 29th.
Oh yeah, Saturday's the 29th. My bad.
This got gray plastic on the inside of the gray rubber on the inside of the air unit there. They're pretty nice. I like them.
Yeah.
Meh. It's just a meh. I mean, Jordan 4s are your favorite though.
I know, but it's the red. I really don't like how there's red on it.
This does it.
It
like,
really, I
ruins it
really
for you.
don't. Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for watching this video. I'm glad I got back into the studio to make another video here. And thanks again to Miguel for giving me a couple pairs of shoes to do some videos on. Ooh, look at that. See that? I think it's just some glue. Extra glue to probably come on.
Where? I don't see what you're talking about. Oh. Well, I hear it, but I don't see anything.
I can see it from here.
I don't see anything.
It's all right. I think it'll come off. But I'm not hating these. I'm not loving them. I wouldn't go bend over backwards over these. And but we're gonna try to get them anyway. What else can we say? Anything else we got here?
The back looks funny.
Funny?
Right. Here just looks weird.
Showman's kind of small. Does he look small?
They're fake. He looks skinny. No, I was saying like right here, like the meat between the spackled.
We get some more red back here too.
Ugh.
On the stitching.
That's cool, but I like that they at least tied the red in some more. But at the same, I just don't like that it's red.
Yeah, I mean, I don't care about this really, but I don't like red on these. All right, thank you all for being here. Smash that like button. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about these. Tell me how hard you think they're going to be because they got stolen off the truck. So many of them got stolen off the truck. But tell your grandma about the Jordan 4 Midnight Navy / military blue. I'll see you all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Shoes.
And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so